Hello, my name is Marta.
Hello, my name is Mariona.
And we are passengers of NutriFit Cruise. These are the questions to all people. Number 1.
What did you used to eat when you were a child?
Què menjaves normalment quan eres petita?
Verdures, pasta, arròs,
Vegetables, macaroni, rice. Number 2.
Did you used to eat healthy or unhealthy food?
Menjaves sa o no tan sa?
sa,
Healthy. Number 3.
What kind of fruit did you eat?
Quina mena de fruites menjaves?
taronges, pomes,
Oranges, apples. Number 4.
Did you go to bed early?
Anaves al llit quan tocava?
sí,
Yes. Number 5.
Did you run in the forest?
Anaves al bosc a caminar?
sí.
Yes. Goodbye.
Goodbye.